Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's session with a focus on transforming your ServiceNow instance into a true communication powerhouse. Today's presentation is titled, Mastering ServiceNow Notifications, Configuration and Best Practices. We'll explore how strategic notification design and implementation can significantly enhance your service delivery. Over the next few slides, I'll guide you through key concepts, best practices, and practical tips to optimize your notifications. Let's get started and make your ServiceNow environment more effective and engaging. Let's explore how notifications can truly enhance our workflow efficiency and boost user engagement across all teams. When we deliver timely and relevant information, we help everyone stay informed and responsive. This isn't just about sharing data. It's about making sure the right people get the right info at the right time. By automating communication flows, we can dramatically reduce manual follow-ups. This means fewer missed messages, fewer errors caused by human oversight, and most importantly, saving valuable time that can be redirected to more strategic tasks. Keeping users immediately informed about critical incidents, pending approvals, and important updates as they happen is essential. Instant awareness ensures that issues are addressed quickly, approvals are not delayed, and everyone remains on the same page. And that's why notifications matter in ServiceNow. They are the backbone of a responsive, efficient, and engaged organization. Properly implemented, they transform how teams collaborate and respond to what's happening in real time. Let's explore the 3 core types of ServiceNow notifications and how they keep users informed. First, we have in-platform alerts. These are displayed directly within the ServiceNow interface itself, which means users get instant visibility without ever leaving the application environment. This is especially useful for quick updates or urgent issues that need immediate attention. Next, we have push notifications. These are sent straight to your mobile devices through the ServiceNow mobile app. The beauty of this is that even when you're away from your desk, you're still connected and updated in real time. It's like having a personal assistant alerting you wherever you are. Lastly, there are email notifications. These are triggered automatically by specific record changes or system events. They go directly to your inbox and often include rich formatting and attachments, making it easy to review detailed information on the go. Together, these 3 types of notifications work seamlessly to keep everyone informed, whether they're working within the platform, on the move, or checking their email. They form a comprehensive communication system that supports quick decision-making and efficient workflows. Now, let's take a closer look at the key components of a notification. First, it's essential to craft personalized, clear, and actionable information. This means tailoring your message so it resonates with the recipient and encourages the desired response. When your message is specific and easy to understand, engagement naturally increases. Next, consistency and professionalism are vital. Utilizing predefined message formats with dynamic placeholders helps ensure your communication remains uniform and polished, no matter who you're messaging or the situation. These templates make it easier to deliver messages that look and feel consistent, reinforcing your brand or system standards. Then, targeting is crucial. You want to direct your messages to the right people, whether that's specific users, groups, or using dynamic fields like assigned to, caller, or manager. This contextual approach ensures the message is relevant and timely, which boosts the chances of a response. Finally, defining exactly when to send these notifications is key. You need to set clear trigger conditions, such as when a record is inserted, updated, or when specific events occur within the system. Knowing precisely when to notify helps avoid unnecessary alerts and keeps your communication meaningful and efficient. All these components together create a robust notification system that keeps users informed, engaged, and responsive. Let's walk through the final steps to complete your notification setup. First, after configuring the message, you'll want to enable the notification and thoroughly test it using sample records. This helps ensure that everything is accurate and that notifications are delivered properly. Next, activate and test your notification to confirm it works as intended. Moving on, it's important to build your message with personalization in mind. You can use variables like number, assigned to name dollars, or short description to make your notifications more relevant and engaging for the recipients. Now, you need to identify who will receive these notifications. This could be individual users, groups, roles, or even dynamic field values, depending on your specific needs. Once you've identified your recipients, you can set specific trigger conditions. For example, you might want notifications to fire when an incident state changes to resolved, or when there's a priority escalation or assignment change. Then you select the appropriate table related to your notification, such as incident, change request, problem, or any custom table you've created. After choosing the table, you'll move on to initializing the notification by clicking New and giving it a clear, descriptive name like Incident Resolved Alert. This makes it easier to identify later. Next, you'll navigate to the System Notification module within ServiceNow, specifically under Email Notifications. This is where all your notifications are managed. Finally, once everything is set up, remember to enable your notification, thoroughly test it with sample data, and verify that it delivers accurately and on time. This ensures your notification process is smooth and reliable. Now, let's talk about choosing the right trigger type, which is a crucial step in setting up effective notifications. Picking the correct trigger ensures that alerts are timely and relevant, helping users stay informed without feeling overwhelmed by unnecessary notifications. For example, scheduled notifications are useful when you want to send updates at specific times, while integration-based events respond to system actions, making them more dynamic. Custom event triggers, on the other hand, allow us to respond to specific system events driven by business rules or workflows, enabling more sophisticated notification logic. For instance, when an event is fired, like an assignment update, a priority change, or a new incident creation, the system can automatically send notifications. Monitoring assignment updates helps keep everyone aware of workload changes. Detecting priority shifts ensures critical issues get immediate attention, and capturing new incident creation allows for instant awareness of emerging problems. Automatic notifications triggered by record insertion or updates are ideal for tracking changes in real time, ensuring that no important updates go unnoticed. Overall, understanding these trigger types helps us design smarter, more targeted notification systems that keep users engaged and informed exactly when they need to be. Now, let's talk about monitoring and refining our notification strategies. It's essential to actively collect user feedback and analyze how effective our notifications are. By paying attention to real-world usage patterns, we can make informed adjustments to the conditions and content of our alerts to ensure they remain relevant and useful. Next, always remember to test thoroughly. Before deploying notifications to our live environment, it's crucial to verify that triggers are working correctly, the content is appropriate, and we're targeting the right recipients. Testing in development or test instances helps catch issues early and saves us from potential disruptions. In addition, personalizing messages plays a key role in making notifications meaningful. Incorporating dynamic data and user-specific information ensures each message resonates with the recipient and feels relevant to their current context. This personalization boosts engagement and makes our communication more effective. Finally, it's important to be selective about our notifications. Avoid overwhelming users with too many alerts. Focus on critical updates. Quality over quantity ensures that when users do receive notifications, they pay attention and understand their importance. Keeping this balance helps prevent notification fatigue and maintains trust in our communication. Now, let's look at the results we've achieved. We've seen faster communication loops, which really helps teams respond more quickly and efficiently. This also translates into improved customer satisfaction scores because clients appreciate prompt updates and resolutions. In fact, we've managed to reduce follow-up inquiries by 40%, meaning fewer back-and-forths and a smoother process overall. Moving on to the business impact, when an incident is resolved, the person responsible, whether it's the assigned technician or the original incident reporter, receives a clear notification. This message includes all the essential details, like the incident number, close notes, and resolution time, ensuring everyone stays informed without unnecessary delays. The trigger for this notification is when the incident status changes to resolved. This real-world example of incident resolution notification demonstrates how automating these updates keeps everyone aligned and helps close issues more efficiently. Ultimately, these improvements support our goal of providing faster, more effective service, which benefits both our team and our customers. Let's talk about enabling ServiceNow mobile app integration. This feature allows us to send push notifications directly to users who are on the go, helping remote teams stay connected and responsive at all times. It's a great way to ensure important alerts reach users immediately, no matter where they are. Now, when managing multiple notifications for the same record, we can assign weight values between 0 and 1,000. This helps us prioritize which notifications should surface first, making sure that the most critical alerts get noticed promptly. Prioritization is key to avoiding notification overload and keeping users focused on what matters most. For example, we might want to notify users only during business hours. To do this, we can use a simple script that checks the current time. Here, I've used glide date time to get the local hour and then set a condition to only notify if the time is between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. This way, we avoid unnecessary alerts outside working hours. Additionally, for more complex scenarios, we can leverage the advanced condition field with server-side JavaScript. This gives us the flexibility to create sophisticated logic that goes beyond simple field comparisons, allowing us to tailor notifications precisely to our needs. Overall, these tools, mobile push integration, notification weighting, and advanced scripting, empower us to make our notification system smarter and more responsive, ensuring our teams stay informed and engaged wherever they are. Ready to transform your ServiceNow instance? Today, I want to encourage you to start configuring smart notifications. This is a powerful way to improve your workflow automation and make your processes more efficient. Don't forget to explore the official ServiceNow documentation and community tutorials. They're excellent resources to deepen your understanding and unlock even more advanced notification capabilities. By implementing these notifications effectively, you can achieve measurable improvements in efficiency and satisfaction across your organization. It's about driving results, making sure every user receives the right information at exactly the right time. This precision helps streamline communication and keeps everyone on the same page. Empowering your teams is also key. When notifications are optimized, they help eliminate bottlenecks and reduce delays that can slow down your operations. This way, your entire organization can move faster and more smoothly. So remember, unlocking the power of notifications in ServiceNow isn't just a technical task, it's a strategic one. It's about connecting your people with the right information at the right moment, enhancing collaboration, and ultimately driving better outcomes for your organization.